Here's the latest news on the US $350 million investment to construct the Pinnacle real estate developments right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. They had their groundbreaking ceremony last Saturday. Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. Plus, I do bonus videos within the week. This is a bonus video. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it. The Pinnacle, a mixed modern luxury development, features 4 towers, each 28 stories high. Alongside that, they will also have 15 villas, recreational and shopping facilities, fine dining options. The project includes private residence club by LCH Developments and architect Issia Madden. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. There will be a variety of accommodations, including 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom residences, which will be complemented by luxurious 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom penthouses. According to their website, each bright and spacious apartment has been carefully considered and planned to optimize indoor-outdoor living, the views of the mountains and hills, or across the lagoon and the Caribbean Sea. Beautifully detailed, the residents of these immaculate homes will also have use of a sophisticated residence club with 2 restaurants, the Mangrove Club, alongside tennis courts, numerous pools and inland beaches, spa and gym, marina, and a convenient shopping center adjacent to the entrance. I realized that recently there have been a lot of mixed-use developments, these kind of developments where they have villas, hotel rooms, along with other commercial businesses, like you have restaurants there, supermarkets, all under one roof. I remember there's another one at, where is it again? Someplace on Bottom Road, the Vista. I need to check that one out as well. That groundbreaking ceremony happened last year, early in the year. Bartlett sees the Pinnacle as a pivotal shift in city tourism, lifting Montego Bay beyond its resort town reputation. He thanks developers for choosing Montego Bay and anticipates the Pinnacle as the premier choice upon completion. He also revealed that the Pinnacle, along with future projects in the next 5 years, represents a US $2 billion investment portfolio. If you want to find out more about the location, I did do a video on the Pinnacle location last year. I showed you via Google Earth vantage point from the land, on land, and then we took a boat ride and had a look at it from the sea. If you watch that video, you realize that it is located where there are a lot of mangroves. So I'm interested to know how they are going to go about ensuring that the environment is protected. So what do you think about this development? Is it something to look forward to, or should we definitely keep our eyes on it to make sure that they don't end up destroying the environment? This top star. Shane fashion. That's what I'm seeing there. Yeah. Okay, look, you can see the boat, the ship coming in. You know when them are open? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.